Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to have a header on only the first page of your document on Microsoft Office Word. So the first step that you have to do is to open your Microsoft Word document. Now here, as you can see in this example, we have two pages. Let's insert a header for the moment. Uh, to do a header, all you have is to double click on the top of your page or document and it will transfer you to the header and footer. So let's just insert a header here. As you can see, it will be inserted on both pages. So to do uh, on only page, all we have is to go to the header and footer option here, and we will click different first page. So as you can see, the first page header, and we can add, for example, uh, let's just name it a first header. And now, as you can see, this is concerning only the first page. So now we can do whatever we want with the other header pages. So we can now just delete it. And as you can see, we still have the header on our first page. There is another method to do a header on only the first page, but without this option, all we can do is by adding page sections. To add a page section, all you have is to go to Layout and then click on Breaks and go to the section break. In my case here, I will choose the continuous break, so it will just have a section inserted here because uh, if we click on the next page section, it will add another page, and I don't want to do that. All I have is to click on break and click on the continuous section. And if we click on the header bar or the header place, as you can see, now we have header for section 1 and header for section 2. So if I insert first page only header, it will be, of course, inserted on the second page, but uh, as you can see, I will be able to delete it. I do apologize. Uh, also, we should not forget to unlink the pages. So all we have to do to unlink the pages so we can see the same as previous is to go to the header and footer menu. And here in the navigation section here, you will find link to previous. As you can see, it is colored. That means it is activated. We have to deactivate. As you can see now, now we don't see this same as previous option here. So we can do and just delete the header of the second page, and we will have only one page header. So this is how you insert the header on only your first page. Thank you for watching and goodbye.